The Speaker of Anambra State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Okafor, has assured persons displaced by flood in disaster in Ayamelum local government area that Anambra State government will provide them with relief materials and basic health care to cushion the effect of the disaster on them. Right Honorable Okafor gave the assurance when he travelled by boat to visit the people affected by flood at the holding centres at Community Primary School Igbakwu. Modelim has details.
While sympathizing with hundreds of the displaced persons, the speaker told them that he came for on-the-spot assessment of the damage caused by the natural disaster and the losses they incurred as a result of the ugly development for government intervention. Right Honorable Okafor urged them to remain safe at the camp as Anambra State and federal governments will supply all they need to be comfortable at the camp.
If a government Professor South Kuma to to make sure that the only IDP camp that they take care of all of you. You don't know why even if you are bronze, even if you are bronze, even if you are bronze, our primary responsibility. We take all Budi na ejako aye make sure no one dey akpata na akuzili bibe ko pekana eyota we'll do our best. I'm an oyadro 100% God in Mambino na begi.
In his remarks, one of the affected persons, Mr. Ezechukwu Chetoya, thanked the speaker for coming to sympathize with them and lamented that they suffered heavy losses as the flood submerged their buildings, destroyed their property and washed away the crops on their farmlands, even as he urged government to provide them with alternative source of livelihood.
And the Indian laboratory, Moboloma, Otogani, Potao, Bulotonawa, Bulotonego, Bulotonanli, Nasica, you don't have you and a male, you bound woman.
On his part, the leader of the displaced persons, Mr. Patrick Onye, assured the speaker of their safety and regretted that he lost his cassava and rice farms to the disaster, but managed to harvest his yam. In his speech, the Transition Committee Chairman of Ayamelum Local Government Area, Chief Livinus Onyenwe, who took the speaker round the communities affected by the incident, commended the speaker for showing concern and urged other relevant agencies to come to their rescue. Later, the speaker and his team waded through the flood to visit other people affected by the disaster resettled at Central Primary School, Ifitogware, and Otako Primary School, Omo, where he assured them of state government intervention. From Omo, Chukwuemeka Modelim, ABS News.